Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is widely considered the best fake door camera on the market, the WALI Dummy Fake Camera. If you're looking for an affordable way to boost your home or business security without investing in expensive real cameras, this product might be just what you need. The WALI Dummy Fake Camera is designed to closely resemble a real surveillance camera, featuring a sleek bullet-style body with a dome shape that mimics authentic CCTV cameras. It comes in a clean white finish, making it discreet yet noticeable enough to deter potential intruders. One of the standout features is its flashing red LED light, which adds a convincing touch of activity, giving the impression that the camera is operational at all times. Installation is simple and hassle-free. You don't need to worry about wiring or complex setups since the camera operates on two AAA batteries, which are not included. The package comes with screws for easy wall or ceiling mounting, and two security alert sticker decals are also included to enhance the illusion of a monitored area. This makes it perfect for indoor or outdoor use, whether you want to secure your home, office, or storefront. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, the camera is weather-resistant with an IP65 rating, which means it can withstand rain and dust without any issues. This durability adds to its versatility, allowing you to place it in various environments without worrying about damage from the elements. The WALI Dummy camera does not have any real recording or motion detection capabilities, but that's by design. Its main purpose is deterrence. When combined with real cameras, this dummy unit can help create a layered security system that increases perceived surveillance coverage without breaking the bank. At just over 7 inches long and weighing less than a pound, it is lightweight and compact enough to fit comfortably in many spots without drawing unnecessary attention. The design focuses on realism with a manual focus lens detail, further enhancing the look of a genuine camera. Overall, this product offers an inexpensive and practical solution for those who want to improve security appearance quickly. It's perfect if you want to make an area look protected without the ongoing costs or maintenance of real cameras. Whether you are protecting your home, retail store, or office, the WALI Dummy Fake Camera provides peace of mind through deterrence. If you are looking for an easy-to-install, realistic, and weatherproof fake camera to add to your security measures, this product is worth considering. It's the best fake door camera option available today, combining affordability with realistic design and convenient features. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.